Welcome everyone to this live day trading. Today we're doing live market analysis and real-time trading on US30, Dow Jones, and gold and Forex futures, whatever you want me to watch. I'll focus on day trading, scalping setups, price action, technical analysis, market structure, EMA rejection, liquidity, and trendy trading psychology. All is going to happen live on this chat. This stream is perfect for beginner and intermediate traders who wants to learn how to trade US30, improving risk management and build discipline and consistency in live trading. So let's go. Hello, Gerard. How are you this morning? Lots of cold. Where are you from? Where was the cold? Here in Florida was a little cold too. But you can't compare. I can't compare the cold in Florida with. Hey, Pando. My hair is a. Let's see. -15. Ooh. Ooh. What operation? What are you running? What? I have another operation running. Okay, so let's get to the charts. Nice, no. Okay, let's make some levels here. US30. Next is here. Let's see. 1 minute. Do I have a trend line here? Yes, trend line that was broken here. So, Pando, where do you live in Cluj or do you live in Romania? Ce face Adelina? Hey, Algo. Hey, Alpesh. Good morning. How are you? I am good, guys. I'm really good. I wake up late today. I mean, late, but I wake up like 8:40 or something like that. And I'm like, oh, get ready. I'm good, waiting for a setup. I want to see what this is doing. I did draw a trend line, so if it breaks the trend line again below, I will probably go in a short. But I need to see what do I have on the left still. I have this area on 1 hour. Without you. And this, the red line. Without you, I Glory. Yes, Pando, where you live in Romania? In Romania it's cold then, right? And snow. To set me free. Bad dreams, they don't matter. Hello, Navaraj. Hello, everybody. If you see a trade on any other instrument, let me know so we look together and we trade together. Okay? Let's do that. Something physical. Do I want to form an M? A W, sorry. Let's see the silver. Okay, so silver clearly is in an uptrend. The EMA is acted as a support. So right now, I do have a rejection of the EMA. You see the first candle that such. 1, 2, the third one already broke it. So on this strategy, I usually add another indicator. On an EMA retest, let me show you. I add ATR stop so you can find your stop loss. And I have some settings. 20, the EMA, I put 20 and multiply by 2. I put here a circle so I see it better. And okay, so if I will go on a silver, that's what I will do. Stop loss. You see the ATR right here? And take profit too. The EDR, it's stop loss finding. That's how I use it, to find the stop loss. That's how it's called, actually. ATR stop loss finder. But you know what? Just don't go still yet in, because I see here an M pattern, which are strong patterns. So wait, even though I had the rejection, wait to break the neck, the base of the M. So yeah, if I'll go in along, I'll wait to break the base of the M. And for the short, not yet. You can go for the short on after it breaks the EMA. Don't forget, a break of a EMA, I consider it a full bearish below. Full strong bearish below the EMA. Yeah, you see, it was an M pattern. So yeah, ATR is not for signals to get in. It's usually to see the range of the price. Like that's the only way I use it for stop loss. So to figure out my stop loss, because sometimes you don't want, for example, you see if I was here, I don't want to put my stop loss exactly below this candle because you might touch it. I want to exactly. I want to put it a little below. So here, you see ATR, it shows you a little the average it that can possibly go, something like that. I don't know to explain, but yeah, there's a 50 MA. Yesterday silver trade hit my take profit. Today, oh, nice. Algo, you want me to be very, very honest with you? Because I saw it somewhere on a strategy long time ago when I used to look over the strategies and indicators. So I saw somebody put that on their strategy and I took it and I used it. But the reason behind, okay, yes, I do. US30 here. Okay, we can go in a short. To be very honest, I can't explain you exactly too much what's going on, but how long have you been trading for? Like 4 years and a half. 4 years and a half. So I want to take a short, but I have this red line here. You know, that I'm a little cautious. Probably the price is going to go to the blue area, but I like to be cautious. It did break the trend line. I like to be cautious. I like to be cautious and lose opportunities, but it is what it is. Let's go on a short. Do I wait to retest this white line and go in a short? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Let's see gold. What is gold doing? Oh, why did I mark this white line on the gold yesterday? Gold has an M and a W. What does he want to do? I don't know. Okay, here another W. So I think you want to go up. I don't know when Hola Prime will start live again. I really don't. Are you in any trades on the Sahim? On the US30? You went in a short? You catch the short? This would be my entry on a short if I was in front of the computer. at 943. It break this area and retested it, and the price is below. So this will be my short. I lost it. Good for you. But now from Hola, I think it's just me. I'll go just me and Sam that does live stream. We still represent the Hola on a live kind of. So take this game. And where did you put your stop loss, Sahim? Do you guys want me to look? Okay. Navarash is waiting for the setup at USD GPY. You want to look at the USD GPI? No. Why I say it like that? What happened to the other ones? Nothing happened. I mean, just me and Sam continuing doing. I think the other ones chose not to do live trading. That's what I meant. That's what I meant. Silver. We're going short on silver. At least till the EMA 50. How do you get to do the lives? Why you want to be in our lives? When YouTube makes a option that you can add people on live, I'll add you guys on live. Okay, let's see. USD GPI. The Japanese. Ooh. To be very honest, I don't like how it looks. Look, especially from, it looks like a hard frequency, but I will mark this week right here on 5 minutes. We can mark here in this area right here. So if you want, you can scalp from one area to another. But that's the only view I have. If you're a scalper and you feel comfortable to scalp from in a kind of a range, go ahead. If not, wait to break the area, those areas, and retested it. The EMA slowly acted as a support, but I don't know for how long more. But yeah, if it actually breaks the EMA nicely below, you can just go on a short till here. But I guess the safest, if you think that it's gonna go up, wait to break this area right here and give you a retest. That's what I think. And the US30 keeps falling down, and I missed it again. Okay, silver went down. Yeah, I said this is an M. M's are very strong. And his was a retest. Let's back to the baby US30. Now here we go. The price almost touched this red line. Harpash, are you? I'm not in. I missed it, Harpash. Are you? Did you hit your full take profit yesterday, right? I'm not in. I missed it. But if I was to go in, I'll go in. I will go in here. But let's wait if the price come again to the entry. Supposedly the entry. Let me see if it gives the 2. Oh, no. It still has room to go down. Still room to go down. Are you in, Harpash? Harpal? What is your view, Navaraj, on USD GPY? 249. I'm short at 24945. Oh, nice. So you catch all this. Nice, nice. Good. You are an expert in this. You're an expert in this. You have to share your analysis with me, maybe sometimes. Maybe I do a group. If you guys want me to do a group, where would you want me to do it? On what's that app? Discord or Telegram? So we can share analysis together. Here we go. I have a rejection of the white line here. Should I go short? You know, I want to go short, but I feel like if I go, the only reason I go is because it's that feeling that you missed out already and you don't want to lose, you know? Not fear of missing out, but like Discord. Hello, Wardy. Thank you. Thank you. So I don't want to go into a position that just because I lost my entry to go in late. I'm waiting for the cadet to close level 159. On the other side, 150. To close. Yeah, so this level. But when you mark a level like how I mark it, or you just put a line? Here we go. It retested the EMA. Not yet, but soon. Remember, you need to break this. But yeah, I'll wait to break this level and retest it. If you just wait to break it, you know how this instrument moves better than me. No, look how nice it's here, uptrend. You can see price go up, it consolidates, go up, hopefully consolidates, go up. Is the flat pattern. Oh, okay. You just put lines on higher frames. So for the US30, where did your stop loss, guy? Take profit. He said, I'll put all you can on gold sales. Yeah, I said here earlier that it has an M retest at the gold. But I don't put. Maybe wait for, you think it's gonna keep going down, yeah? Maybe if it gives another retest to EMA, I will go. Alarm. Let's put an alarm. Price crossing EMA. Create. My levels. So I have these red levels that I watch at 49195. And I have another level that starts at 49123. If I was to go on 122 on my initial, like on my strategy, break and retest at the opening, break, retest, the take profit will be somewhere at 49148 to be 49145, 49150. That's where I will take. Let me see again if those levels are correct. Okay, so I put it here on 1 minute this week. I marked, and here I marked what it touched it here one time, and here it just touched one time. But it's a level. It can be this level right here. So one, two. Oh, you already exit? Okay. That's okay. Because you got. Something's got a hold of me lately. Wardy, are you on short on a gold? 4580. Four, 580. Yeah, it should. Or here too. Oh yeah, definitely. If it gets back to 4580, how you set your TP on ATH instrument? I always go for 1 to 2. Always go for 1 to 2. And I trail the stop loss sometimes. If I'm already in a profit and I see it moves nice, I just trail it. So for example, here I put just above the area that rejected it, that the price rejected that area, and 2. And of course you watch the levels in between. Like for example, this red level that I marked, I knew it was a strong level. So you watch it and see. Okay, the price is going up. Does it want to go to the EMA and give a little retest? How you guys did set your take profit? Based on areas, based on... Harpal, you had exited exactly on point. That's great. Good job. Yes. Yes, sir. You had marked this area like me on your chart? You marked it? Guys, please like this stream. Like, subscribe, share, all that good thing. I'll appreciate you. I didn't notice a need to hide without you. Yeah, very similar, that means. Very similar. Like right now, if I was in this trade, I'll take the profit right here below, just when it break this white line. That's it. I'm out. Because yeah, I will be already in a profit. Out. Wait for the next. But many times, thanks for the reminder. Yeah. Many times it does hit the full take profit. Full. Myself. We gotta look for another opportunity to go short, guys. Another rejection of this blue and go back down. Or we're looking for a long. There's no you and I. Or maybe retest to the EMA. Let's see. You looking for a long? So let me ask you, Sahim, what do you waiting if like what will be your confirmation to go in a long? Just the break of the EMA, or you need anything else, or whatever you use? Very curious. And you guys, after an area is broke, right? Like for example, this area. What did I? Yeah. Do you delete it? My indicator has only has 4 trades. Only? Oh, it's a good. 4 trades are not bad. And where do you put your stop loss? Here we go. We can go on a short in a gold right here. Where is the ETR? Here we go. Let's go. The beautiful orange. Okay. Here we go. Word it does. Let's see. It's gonna go down. It should be. Wait, it's too much. This. Okay, on an EMA, I'm looking at it. On an EMA, God. I'm waiting for a retest of the EMA. Are you okay? She's because he might just reject this area. Wordy, I think we discussed this already about my EMA. You said you use this. What did you use? On 7 on yours, but yours is on 5 minutes. Mine is 1 minute. And it's kind of very similar. It looks kind of it's the same levels. Here we go. Sahim, you are on the long on a US30? about you. Tell you. Don't you sleep sleeping in a pantry? There's no you and I. No strong when I cry. I love you. Seven and 20. You need to EMA when the 7 cross the 20. That's the trade. I know, Wordy, that's your strategy though. You know, everybody's strategies work for themselves. Because you can give me your strategy, but I can be bad at your strategy. That's why everybody needs, no, not everybody needs their strategy, but everybody needs to, the way they trade, to have their own thing. Kind of. Because your strategy might not work for me. Sipping in a bad dreams. But just for the fun, let's add. So all 7 and 20. 7 and 20 on 5 minutes, you said? Hey, John Chefach. EMA cross strategy, yeah. Let me put EMA 1. So I'm gonna put 2 EMA just for the fun. I put the 7 on 5 minutes. On a 5 minutes, let's make it white so I see it. Let me hide mine, and I'll put the 20. 20 on a 5 minutes. Okay, so your cross is here. This is where you will take. Look, what's the difference on mine? Mine is 20. 50. Here we go. Now it's at the EMA. This is very close to yours. Look. It's actually between yours. In the middle. So I don't think mine is too wide. I think mine is just good for me. Defend, complain about me, you. Okay, US30's rejected that. Rejected this area. So let's wait to go back below the EMA and probably go to a short. Take loss and stop profit, he said. Take the loss. I personally think each instrument and time frames have their own adjustment. I trade gold mostly. and the 15 and 30, the 9, 21 works well. I personally believe everything works well for each person is different, and what works for you cannot work for me, and what works for me might not work for you. That's what I think, guys. So this is just details. EMA 20, EMA 9, EMA. You can both be right. John, you might be right. Take the loss now. Take the loss. So there's no point of convincing each other that your strategy is better than your strategy. And I mean, I'm not saying it's not or it is. It's better for you or for, well, both strategy can be good. Well, I'll go. You made your own indicator? Exactly. Everything works, but not all every time. So as long as it works more than 50%, that's great. Oh, okay, it's not yours. Okay, if I think I'm gonna get out of this gold trade. Let me see this candle. It's probably gonna touch my stop loss. I was too early in this because you can see it did not touch the EMA and I went in. I consider this a rejection of the EMA, but it did not touch it. Hola, Tiger, how are you? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bebé, ¿qué fue? Deme todo un tragadito. Oh, I skipped one comment of yours, John Tiron. He said, I got used to take loss. What do you mean you got used to take loss, John? You got into trading? Trade like a tiger with a tiger. Guys, you can check the tip. Trade like a tiger. He trades Forex in the morning. Oh, what time you start, Tiger? 6:30? Oh, 6:30. 6:30 CS. What's that, Easter? Yeah, John. Everybody, so you guys know, John is my little cousin. So now I'm talking just with him. Now with you. You guys go ahead and trade. John, you need to stop trading. You're not made for trading. You are an artist. You go ahead and do your artist things. 7:30 your time. Man, you are an early bird. You are an early bird. What time you get up? If it is on green, you should think twice for long. What do you mean? What do you mean, Pando? He's like, I'm an early, not a bird. uh, that indicator actually, Pando, I was looking, I'm looking at just on the US30. I didn't even pay attention to it at gold. This is a gold trade, which is it was on red when I got in, but I didn't look at it. Honestly, I did not. Up at 5 a.m. That's nice. I admire that. I admire. I love my sleep, guys. I have to admit. Sahim, how is your trade doing? Good. Let's see. When did you go long on silver? When it crossed the EMA or here? When did you go? It's 10:51 a.m. in the morning. That dreams bottom. Cut in profit. I love your way. I need you to set me free. Here we go. It retest in my. Let's see. I might go in a short. On my favorite instrument. Get out here. Sipping in a bad dream. Where's no you and I? No so when I cry. I love you way. I need you to set me free. Bad dreams. Okay. We're going short. Let's this candle to close and we're going short. At least for a short scalp. Come on, cross the white. Cross the white. And let's go. What is gold doing? It's going up. It's gonna touch my stop loss. Probably. Come on, go below the white line. No. No. No, it doesn't want to go. So we're waiting for a little bit. I need to get below this white line if I want to go in a short. The base of the W. If not, we're not getting in. I put my stop loss on gold, so does it match my ATR? Let me see. Yeah. Probably I should put it just above the white line, the stop loss. To put it above the stop line, the white line. Just right here. Let's see, but that's a very big mistake. It might be a big mistake. Might be a big mistake. Something's gonna hold me lately. Anyway, this gold trade was a trade that it did not follow my rules. It did not. The price did not touch the EMA when I got in. It did not. I should have not been in this trade. I should have not been. But it is what it is. Let me put an alarm here. Because I want to go back to ES. Okay. When you're not next to, I'm an hour in and no dinero. You are what? Are you in a short on gold too? What price is your gold trade? 4610. When did you get in? You believe in highest stick of lowest candle and lowest stick of highest candle. I don't understand the question. What do you mean if I believe in that? You believe on highest stick of lowest candle. Highest stick of lowest candle. Like here? Like this candle, the high of this candle. If I believe in that. So I do use that kind of thing when I mark my levels. But I usually mark the full candle. I mark the full low candle or a group of candles, whatever it is. Okay, let's go, guys. Does it break the white level? 3, 2, 1. Below 265. So below here, yes, I'm waiting to get in, Harpa, for a short, but I need to break this white line. It's not breaking. Oh yeah, Hardy, you can do a back test on my entry, please. Here. Nu sunt bine că căuta lumina în soarele tău. Drumul meu. I want this white line to break. Oh, what did I do? Go back. I want a break of this white line. The neck of the, or the base of the W. I need it break, not retested. Because if for short, retested is a long. But it will be a scalp. Harpal, did you got into your entry? And if yes, where did you put your stop loss? Let me ask a question here. Make a poll. How do you make a poll? Where did you guys find my live? Camila Lalo. And who find it on YouTube? Please say something in the comments. Because I'm really curious. I know my Instagram people. I know my Instagram people, but I wanna get to know my YouTube people. Camila Lalo. Oh, it's just the price is just gonna consolidate here till it will finally break the white line to go in a short, or oh, you find me on YouTube, Scotty. I thought you find me. Oh, no. You after you follow me on Instagram. You put your stop loss 49460. 406, sorry. Oh, okay. So you have space. What the green and red light tool you have at the bottom with histogram looking tiny? This Tiger, this is an indicator that one of my viewers told me about, and I just want to back tested it. I just start using it a week ago, and I just want to back test their entry, and it seems like it's a pretty good indicator. Look, for example, right here, it catch this entry. Here didn't, but I usually how I am thinking to using it. You see, for example, I have the green arrow right here, so I put the line, and if the price break that, I'll go in. That's what I'm thinking to use it. Same here. If it breaks, I'll go short. So this indicator that I use it for a week now, I'm back testing it, and it has pretty nice entries. It does have his bad days, like Friday was a really bad day. It did not give you no entries, but I'm back testing it. In a trend, it does work pretty well. Pretty well. The indicator is called Sahim. It's DIY. This one is 24 people that use it only. We discovered it by mistake. He was telling me about the indicator. He was telling me about this indicator that has 19.9K, but by mistake I put this one and I figured out I like it. So I can't tell you nothing about it yet because I'm still backtesting it. I'll probably take a weekend and in next weekend and go replay at least a few trades. That's exactly what I said, Tiger. That's exactly the words that I said. I'm like, I found this indicator for a reason. So let's see. That's the words that I said. Here we go. The gold is golding a little bit. But it did work pretty well. I don't know on gold. Look on gold today. It give me here, give me here. Now it give me here. It did catch this long. A little bit of here. This consolidation did not, you see. But I think a lot of indicators, majority of indicators don't work when majority of don't really work on consolidation. When price is consolidating, indicators don't. Tell me why you trade US30. Because I like how the price moves. When I started, I used to trade everything. But then I said, let me focus just on one instrument that actually moves. Because I like it moves. Big moves. When it moves. And I just study it and I like how it moves. It's usually the same over and over. It looks like a cross on the zero line is the trigger to get in. Cross. I don't know what you're saying, Tiger. What cross? Oh, yeah. Yeah. When it crosses, yeah. Why do you trade the gold, Wordy? To be very honest, I don't really know what this indicator uses. I did not change nothing in here. Trend base. I really don't know nothing about this indicator. I said get rid of that. Just use the WAP, which is what your indicator is trying to do. But use DHS, WAP, and so EMAs. Hey, Marianne. Let me see. DHS. I know WAP is. Which one you're talking about to use? Yeah, but then it's too, no, I don't. Too much on a chart. And then you have two EMAs and this too much. But I don't use this indicator, guys. I don't use this indicator. I'm just looking at it. Try to figure out if I wanted to use it in the future. Marianne, how are you? Any trades today? I'm waiting to go in a short on a US30. If it breaks this white line, probably is not going too soon. You are in a buy on a Euro USD. You want to look at it together? Yes, you want. I know. You want on a buy? When did you entry? 11629. One 1629. You're not there yet. You're looking to get into a buy. It's gonna touch. So you're not in the trade, Marianne, are you? Will you wait for this? I mean, what chart you using? Because I don't see tonight. 7 Su. And when is your stop loss? What is your stop loss? One hour. Oh, okay. Below this area is your stop loss? Yeah, just below this area. Okay. Let me know how it works for you. Let me know. This is US 30 on 1 hour. Close it in. Yeah, Dow is not nice with us yet, but I hope the gold is gonna take my profit, and that's it for today, but let's see. Let's see. Can't you see? Control. Wordy, if you were to get into the gold trade with your, where would you go in? When I'm with you, I'm at it. Must get you to. Yo, Robert, yo. How is you doing? I got a new camera, guys. Can you see the difference? Like who watched me before? Is it more clear or is not such a much different? He said, coming off the longest losing streak. Tell me about it, Robert. What happened? And why did you say the longest? Like they were more trades in a row, or you keep that trade for a long time? Hmm? The sound is better. The camera has the microphone now. Before I use this microphone, which supposedly is a good microphone, but whatever. I had one win day last week. Last week. All losses and lost Monday. Okay, Robert, let me ask you. Did you follow your strategy? And did you take revenge trades, or the losing were because you were following your strategy? What do you trade again? I look clear cut in with the new camera. Yeah. NQ. Better. It's supposed to be 4K. Yeah, you can see every little detail. You can see my bags on the eye and all that. De 7 zile nu știu de tine. Okay. So what happened, Robert? It's smooth. Yeah, that's great. I was looking from all the other YouTubers. I'm like, why do they look so clear? And me, no. I'm like, oh, I need to change this camera. Yeah, but the YouTube Studio doesn't give me the option um, to make it bigger. My eyes are the type of eyes that change, Navaraj. So they are kind of they change grayish, blue, green. So they change. Just look at my auto indicator. It was 100% record, but mostly above 80%. It uses swap and 2 EMA. There is no other indicator on TradingView above 60%. Do not trade on the wrong side of WAP. I did not see. Harpash, thank you. Wow, I got into the talking and I forgot yes, I supposed to enter here. I did not enter, but if the price go back to my entry, that would be. Man, I missed it again. So this is the entry. This is supposed to be the entry. It's going now. Here we go. Oh, gold is taking my profit. It's gonna hit the profit. I'm watching the US30 trade so Harpash, if you can help me with that, my entry. But I just want to take profit from the gold. But where can I find your indicator? My stop loss is just above this, let me put it here, this area, the consolidation area. Um, let's see an ATR. Yeah, so just above is 49340. Oh, Robert, tell me about it, cause Friday I did that too. Friday I revenge trade like crazy, and I hated it. I hated it. You don't have idea. I hated myself for that. I mean, Harpal, if you feel more comfortable with your stop loss, don't move it yet. Don't move it yet. Just wait for. Are you in profit? Okay, I'm gonna move the stop loss for the gold just right here. I'll probably, if it breaks even, I'll take it. I should have taken it here, but in this trade now. I want a rejection of the EMA. It looks like the price touched the EMA on a US30 Harpal, right? So let's see if it's reacted nicely. Oh, it's funny. Exactly how when I got in, it just give me this bullish candle. 10 minutes. I know. Good, good. Imperfect. Okay, I think I'm going to close this gold trade. I'm waiting to touch the EMA and I'll close it soon. Did I have alarm on the EMA? Mine too, Robert. Here, very close. When did you enter for your gold trade, Robert? Oh, Dow, what you doing, Dow? Mine is 8-9, so same thing. Let's put it at 9-0 like yours. Here we go. US30 take profit is 49. Let me make sure. 491007. So when it touch, basically when it touch this blue area, you want to see how it moves. Yeah, Robert, let me know where the gold is. Where is your stop loss at the gold? I think at this point, should I just put break even? I think yeah, I'll just put break even at this point. I need to break that for 600 too, yeah. It's not considered broke in my end because I don't have a full 14. Yeah, I put it break even. Harpa, let's see the US30. Give us something, man. You know what? We might have to close this gold trade. This rejection. Fake breakout. Rejection. Robert, what you think? Mm? I struggle. You try to stay in your trade. We just probably marked the areas wrong. I don't know. This one does not look good. It looks like, let's see how it reacts on an EMA and get out of it. Okay, so the EMA gold crossing the EMA. Mine just my break even. Chica. I shared the link. Yes, only. Where did you share the link? Only 4 trades. No real people can do that. Yes, come on. Oh, oh, oh. Naughty, 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 naughty. Chica. What are you doing, Robert? Talk to me. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's going probably. Now you are in a, you're not in profit? Where did you enter? Why not? Let's see. Dow is, oh, Harpal. Dow is going to touch. No, I put 40. Here it was. Um, Dow is probably going to. Not easy. True. We're still in. a WAP. Let's put a WAP. The first one, right? Okay, so the price is below the WAP. Okay, so the gold is basically breaking even for me. It's fine. It reacted to WAP right here, where I'm supposed to take profit. And that's it. The gold is done. The only hope I have is on this. I mean, the gold is like breaking even, $2. I don't know why it doesn't. Come on. Okay, so done with the gold. I should have take profit. Lesson learned or not, we'll see next time. But at least I moved my stop loss and it was break even. So now let's see what this trade is doing. I feel like I should break even on this one too and just call it a day. I'm gonna stay till 12 o'clock and that's it. Let me see how the price. You see on US30 what this swap doesn't necessarily react on it like that. Let me see more. Yeah, it's just a line that doesn't. On gold, I saw, yeah, it did react it on gold. So I will probably use the WAB on gold. See, next time. But on a US30, not really. It doesn't really help me. What's your interest, Harpal, for this trade? 6.5? Mm, 6-7. Okay. No, it's not. It's above WAP. Was the green line? What? Above WAP. This is WAP. The white line. Toot, 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 toot. For you. Okay, my friends. I don't know. And I just trade to not lose the prop account. So you hit your stop loss, Robert? You said it's 614. It's not there yet, so hope it's still there. Yeah, you still have a chance. But yeah, we should have been taking profit when we saw that big candle, the red candle, and it formed like a V. You know, V are strong. We should have been taking profit. V are strong patterns. B's like that. But we learn a lesson. At least I'm break even, so I'm not so upset. To be very honest, I didn't really want to go in a trade from the start. I went. Um, right now, I'm waiting for this to see what's going on with my friend Harpal here that joined me, and he's in a trade with me. 5 minutes Harpal, and I'll be gone. My stop loss is 4934 for 140. You know, Halpesh, I kind of start losing a little confidence in this trade. So if you lost your confidence too, I'll I'll just close at break even because your break even is soon 6-7. You said you might touch your break even and just be happy with the first trade that you are in profit, and that's it. Don't chase this one. You move your stop loss. 325. Break. It's gonna touch your break even right now soon, so see how it's reacting and close the trade if you don't feel confident. If you still feel confident in a trade, leave it. I personally don't really feel confident. You waiting? Me too, I'm waiting. 2 more minutes, guys. I'm gonna update you about this trade. Just if it wants to go somewhere or no. The thing is, I really don't like this red candle on 5 minutes. This is a doji candle. I don't like it. I don't like it. It keeps rejecting this area right here. But the doji is playing with us. Okay, so I'll keep you updated about this trade. I'll probably move my stop loss soon. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, same 10 a.m. Hopefully we going to have a better entry and a smoother trade. And yeah, bye for now. Bye for now, guys. You too. Bye, Robert. Bye, Tiger. Bye, Harpal.